Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about Pythagoras Theorem. Right. Alright, so this is a theorem that works for a right angle triangle, yeah? So for example, we have a triangle, right angle triangle ABC here, where the angle C is 90 degree, right? Now, we have learned that the longest side of a triangle is opposite the largest angle. In a right angle triangle, the right angle is the largest angle. Yeah. So how is that possible? Because the total angle of a triangle is always 180. So if this one is already 90, then that means the other remaining angles are 90 degree also in total, right? 90 plus 90, right? So yeah. So it is safe to say that the other angle will always be smaller than 90 degree. Yeah. Okay. Thus, in triangle ABC, the side AB, this one, opposite angle C is the longest side. AB is called the hypotenuse of ABC. From the investigation, we observe that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. This result is known as Pythagoras Theorem, like this. So again, the longest side was this, right? Because it is opposite to the angle C, the right angle, yeah, the only right angle in the triangle. Okay, the opposite side AB, right? Or we call it C, side C. Again, the longest one. So the longest side square, look at the formula, equal to the other side square plus the other side square. Yeah, usually we call the longest side C, right? And the other remaining side is AB. Yeah, it can be this one is B, this one is A, or this one is A, this one is B. The same thing. Yeah. Okay. Right. So the general formula for Pythagoras theorem is C square equals A square plus B square. Yeah. Actually, write something here. I can highlight. Okay. Okay. Let us continue. I think I'm gonna skip. We're going to skip this. This is actually like the long explanation about how to find or how to prove the Pythagoras theorem, but we are not going to dig into that for now because it will be confusing. But if you are personally interested in this, you can try to read it yourself, and if you have something you don't understand, you can come find me, ask me about this. Yeah, we'll go to the work example. Finding the length of the third side of right angle triangle using that Pythagoras theorem. So this is right angle triangle. Yeah, the right angle is here. So that means this is the C, right? This could be A, B, or BA. Up to you. Or BA. Up to you, yeah? Okay, let's go see the solution. Now, calculate the length of AB day 1, right? AB. So they want to find the C. So again, the formula was C squared plus AB. Okay. C squared equals a square plus b square, right? So c square equals 12 square plus 5 square, right? Now this is it. This is the c square. Too small, cannot, right? Yeah, c square is 12 square um, plus 5 square. So this AB here is C, right? Look at here. This AB, this side AB is actually the C, yeah? So you can either write the name AB or you can write the name C. Up to you. So it'll be 144 plus 25, 169. And lastly, because it's still C, right? So C square is 169. And when you want to find the C, you move this square here to the right side. Become root. Right? Okay. So, yep. Root 169 become 13. This is it. This is it. Alright. Let's move on to another page. Finding the length of the third side of a right angle triangle. Oh, okay, another one. But this time, the C is given, right? Look at this. Notice that the opposite angle of the right angle is this one. So that means there will be the C. This will be A, B, or maybe B, A, the same thing, yeah? So let's write C square equals A square plus B square. I'm just going to stick to the general formula. Just always stick to the general formula. So 20 square equals 16 square plus B square. So now instead of plus, we minus. So it will be 20 square minus 16 square. This one. 20 square minus 16 square. So 400 minus 20, 256, 144. Same number as the previous one. So, oh no, not the same. The previous number was 169, right? Okay, this one 144. So that means b square equals root of 144. Sorry, 144. B equals root 144. B equals 12. Done. This one. Okay, write PR up to you because it's PR here, right? B is PR, yeah? Alright. We have, for example, 3. Find the length of unknown sides. Alright, this one involves 2 triangles. A bit difficult, but it's okay. So firstly, what we can do here is we're going to separate this big triangle here and this small triangle here. I'm gonna draw it here. So this is the big triangle and the small triangle. It's better to separate so we can analyze better. Right. So this is unknown. This is AB, right? A, B, C. This is A, P, C. Isn't it? Right? From the figure, we know that this is 25 centimeter. This is 15. Right. This is 36. Why? Because 21 plus 15, right? This one, the length of this. Okay, AB is not yet known. So calculate the length of AC. AC. Oh, AC, this one. This one, right? AC. Okay. So again, using the formula c square equals a square plus b square. So 25 square equals 15 square plus b square. Right? You'll end up in b square equals 25 square minus 15 square, which is this one. 25 square minus 15 square equals to 625 minus 225, 400. And lastly, always root, yeah? So root of 400 become 20, like that. Yep. Oh, I can actually write smaller here. Okay, let me just write smaller. This writing feature actually new for me in this app, so yeah. Alright. Okay. So again, I'm gonna write right here. So c square. Wait. Let me choose another one. Yep. So c square equals a square plus b square. Right, it was 25 square equals 15 square plus b square. B square equals 25 square minus 15 square. So that means b square equals, yep, 400, b equals 20. Yeah, actually the textbook already give you the working, right? But this just so you can have like another way of writing the working, yeah. Mine, I like to use ABC, while textbook like to use, you know, that APPCAC thingy, right? Now calculate the length of AB. Easy, because you already know the AC here, which is 20. Yeah, this is one 20. That means this is also 20. This one. So this you can find by using the Pythagoras theorem again. Okay. So that's it for this. The first discussion about the basics of the Pythagoras theorem. See ya.